sometimes women want to believe that they have no clue what's going on
Yeah.
because pointing it out would create a problem for them.
Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Hi, how are you? This is Mahwash Ajaz. I'm joined by somebody who needs no introduction because you can see her and you know her. Mawra Hocane. Assalamu alaikum, Mawra. How are you?
Walaikum salam. I'm good. How are you, Mavish?
Very well. Thank you so much for giving me your time on such short notice. I know you're shooting and I know you're really busy. So thank you so much for giving me your time.
नो नो ऑफ कोर्स एक्चुअली पिछले हफ्ते से ही क्योंकि हम लोग ये लाइन अप करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे
जी.
मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा था कि ओके इट्स वेडनेसडे नाउ इट्स थर्सडे नाउ आई नीड टू लाइन इट अप ऑन वन ऑफ दीस डेज
Yeah.
but I'm glad we could do this today.
Absolutely, absolutely. The pleasure is all mine. Straight off the bat, loving Jafaa, really. Like I think it's one of my top watches. And so
Thank
hats
you.
off to you for doing a role like that. We'll get straight into it. Uh, what's the response been like from other people? What do they tell you about Jafaa when you meet them, and what made you choose this role? So let's start with that.
The response has been great, Alhamdulillah. The response is actually great in both ways. Usually, what happens is that I choose a project based on what it offers
Hmm.
as content, but sometimes it's a commercial success, sometimes it's not. And I'm ready for it every time because I know that I've chosen the content over anything else. So this time around, I think we lucked out in both departments. And I chose this particular project for reasons that are still to come on air.
Hmm.
But I would say that when I was reading the script and when Momina ji offered it to me, she said that Mawra, there are nuances in Zara's character which I know that you will latch on to, and I really want you to play Zara. Because initially, when the production house offered it to me, they said, you could pick either Zara or Deebu, whichever one you like. But I remember the same evening, Momina called me and said, no, 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 you can't pick anyone role because I want you to play Dr. Zara.
Hmm.
And I asked her why that is, and then she explained it to me, and then I asked her for the script.
Hmm.
तो जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ा और अभी जैसे जैसे ये कहानी प्रोग्रेस करेगी ना,
Hmm.
मे बी नॉट इन अ big way, not in
Hmm.
the most like lesson oriented way,
Or in your
but it
face
is,
kind of way.
yeah, not in that way at all, but it's going to touch upon issues which are extremely prevalent in everyone's life, every
Hmm.
woman's life for sure, and I'm sure a lot of men also suffer it.
Hmm.
um we cannot just go straight out and talk about mental health issues in a serial, because then you have to also wrap it up in the end. But you can touch upon certain characteristics in a personality which can be bothersome, and also especially such traits which are easily overlooked by other members of your family, which people cannot see, things that happen in privacy of two people, and only they know what's going on. And if you go out there and you tell other people कि ये हुआ है मेरे साथ या वो हुआ है, तो they would most often deem you crazy because they'd say इतनी क्या बड़ी बात है, क्योंकि वो
Hmm.
बड़ी बात उस मोमेंट में होती है, वो बाद में
Hmm.
बताने में बड़ी नहीं होती. तो
Hmm.
जब मैंने इस तरह के सीन्स पढ़े, और I know that we have slowly kind of moved
And we
into
see
that with
some stuff in the
like
OST. Like
जी
I'm picking, I've seen the OST like a million times. A
जी
million
जी
views तो
जी
मेरे हैं सारे उसमें, बाकी के नहीं पता मुझे.
perfect
लेकिन उन्होंने बड़े,
perfect
मैंने वो जारा और उनकी केमिस्ट्री और वो पूरी चीज मैंने एक एक मतलब पॉइंट उठा के देखा है कि what how is she reacting to what's happening,
जी.
because so far she's like a deer in the headlights. She's just like, she's no clue what's going on. She's picking up on something, but not like so far. अभी मैंने recent episode नहीं देखी.
जी
So,
जी जी.
so I mean,
And
so
more than no clue what's going on, sometimes women want to believe that they have no clue what's going on
yeah.
because pointing it out would create a problem for them. And
Hmm.
especially the girls, who've topped their school and topped their medicine and topped
Yeah.
everything and are so
Yeah.
over accomplished.
Perfect. Yeah.
They
Perfectionist.
cannot
Yeah.
imagine, yes, they cannot imagine कि मेरी life का इतना बड़ा हिस्सा marriage, am I going to fail at it? No, I'm just going
Hmm.
to pretend like it's not happening.
Yeah.
So there was a lot in the character which I was really pulled to, and
Hmm.
I didn't know, when you're starting out, you really don't know how public would receive it, whether you'd be able to pull it off. But अच्छी बात ये थी कि मोमिना, Danish bhai and I, we were all on the same page with this.
Hmm.
So I was like, okay, let's go for it. Let's give it a shot. Like every other project, if it feels right in the heart, I always go for it. I don't care कि क्या आगे क्या result होगा, क्योंकि if you think
Hmm.
too much about the result, then you can't take these, plunges. And I also see how people are, kind of ready every time कि अच्छा मावरा का project है तो कुछ तो होगा इसमें जो lesson oriented होगा. So इसमें बहुत सटल तरीके से था और बहुत ही कॉमन जो चीज हर किसी की लाइफ में हर कोई एक्सपीरियंस कर रहा है. लिटरली everyone I know, or like 9 out of 10 people I know, are experiencing this in some way,
Hmm.
and they're not willing to accept it. Most of them are, in denial, because
Hmm.
accepting it would mean you have to solve it.
Hmm.
And sometimes such situations do not have a solution other than
Hmm.
actually walking away from this person who's so
Yeah.
self-absorbed or like ill-mannered, or so
Whatever
to speak.
issues they have, yes, they can't walk
Yes,
away from that.
yes,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yes. And these issues are so generic that you cannot even put a finger on it. अभी आप
Hmm.
लोग ड्रामा की फॉर्म में देख रहे हैं. There's an episode to watch and you can go back to the issue. So ऐसे
Hmm.
लगता है, oh yeah, we're able to see this in Hassan, that in Hassan. But if you imagine this in a real life situation,
Yeah.
दिन गुजर जाता है और
हाँ,
आप उस बात को नहीं उठा सकते कि तुमने एयरपोर्ट वो टिकट क्यों फाड़ दी थी एकदम से,
हाँ,
क्योंकि
हाँ,
आप पागल लगोगे बात करते हुए.
हाँ,
आपको लगेगा
हाँ।
कि आप, आर यू
खाओ में
क्रिएटिंग अ
बात का
माउंटेन आउट ऑफ
बतंगड़
मोलेकुल.
बना रहे हो। हाँ, हाँ,
यस,
हाँ,
यस.
या आई गेट
सो
दैट,
ये
आई गेट
चीज
दैट।
मेरे लिए बहुत इंट्रीगिंग थी, बहुत
हम्म।
बहुत ज्यादा. एंड आई एम ग्लैड दैट पीपल आर आल्सो इंट्रीग्ड बाय इट.
And they're picking up on it, like all the things that you're saying, people,
या
including me, including other people, they've picked up on the red flags in Hassan's character.
जी.
And Mawra, I want to ask you that, because one thing that specifically stood out to me in your performance and with your kind of equation with Muhib in the show, is that you're both kind of doing this tightrope dance. And it's like a very tightly enveloped dance that the two of you are doing, and the glass can crack underneath you at any point
जी.
in.
जी.
So how are you managing that while keeping the intrigue and not giving anything away? And you, both of you, are not giving anything away, although we do have some inkling of what might happen. But keeping it, playing your cards so close to the chest, and then also able to get the audience to empathize with, okay, something is not right, and this girl is walking into trouble. When
जी.
you are in the scene, what goes through your head? Is it a particular person that you're thinking of, that I've seen that person go through it, this is how she was acting, so you kind of method act? Or is there some other process that you follow to keep it so tight and precise as a performance?
Firstly, I'm so happy that you are noticing these things, and the
Yes,
audiences,
they're
because
fascinating.
sometimes you're afraid that maybe it's too little, maybe they
No,
won't
it's
catch
not.
on to this emotion, but you can't give too much, because if you do, then it's too out in the open, and you can't have that with a character like Hassan. um इसमें दो चीजें हैं. पहले
Mm,
तो दानिश भाई को बहुत क्रेडिट जाता है इसके लिए, क्योंकि मेरी जो नेचुरल इंस्टिंक्ट थी, वो उसके कार्ड फाड़ देने पर, टिकट फाड़ देने पर थोड़ा सा ऑफ होने की थी, कि ये
mm,
लड़की इतनी सॉलिड लड़की है, तो ये क्यों वापस जाके टेरेस से लटक के उसको स्माइल दे रही है. सो
mm,
उन्होंने तब मुझे ये बात समझाई कि लड़कियों को ये बहुत होता है कि इतना कुछ उन्होंने अचीव किया हुआ है, तो वो इसमें फेल कैसे कर जाएं. सो दे आर ऑलवेज सोल्यूशन ओरिएंटेड, दे आर
mm.
ऑलवेज लुकिंग
They're
फॉर
always in
अ वे
band-aid
बैक
mode.
इनटू इट.
Band-aid mode.
हाँ, कि
Mm,
मैं तो सेवियर हूँ, मैं सबको बचा लूंगी, तो क्या, what can I do to save this situation? Oh, maybe I can smile. So that is one thing that came straight from Danish bhai. And then once I got onto that bandwagon with him, I realized that I've seen so many women around me who are really strong-headed bankers, engineers, doctors, actors. But when it comes to a situation like this, you see them really confused and mostly इन डिनायल कि नहीं, ये मेरे साथ हो ही नहीं रहा. नहीं नहीं नहीं, ये नहीं
mm,
हुआ होगा, कुछ और रीजन होगी. You try to find reasons around it. And thirdly, the fact that she's a gynecologist,
mm,
also we kept that in mind a lot. even in daily life situations. And this also came from Danish Bhai, so the credit is his. He made me speak to one of his cousins who's a gynecologist
Hmm.
before we started shooting.
Hmm.
And he said that you just have to observe her personality, and when she explains to you what she does in a day, the gynecologists, because they're dealing with lives, everyday childbirth, a lot of life related issues, so they are not easily um, moved by a
Hmm.
situation. They're always solution oriented, because वो चीजें इतनी बड़ी बड़ी होती हैं, और उसी मोमेंट पे यू हैव टू कम अप विद द सॉल्यूशन, उसी मोमेंट पे। और उन्होंने मुझे कहा कि ये बहुत बड़ी बात होती है कि आपके हाथ से रोज 10 या 12 बच्चे इस दुनिया में आ रहे हैं, एक
Hmm.
जिंदगी इस दुनिया में आ रही है। ये लोग इजीली फेज्ड नहीं होते बाय अ सिचुएशन, ये लोग बहुत they're like in the moment, find a solution, they'll do something about it, and they're not phased by it. ऐसा नहीं है कि उनकी शक्ल से लगेगा कि ओ मैं परेशान हो गई and now I'll find a solution. They stay calm, composed, because they're dealing with human lives, and they cannot be phased by situations. They're dealing with babies, blood. All of these things played a huge role in how she will behave in her personal life. क्योंकि
Hmm.
अगर वो इतनी बड़ी बड़ी चीजें करके घर आती है, तो
Hmm.
वो एक बंदे की हल्की सी मेंटल
आउटबर्स्ट पे,
हेल्थ के
हाँ.
इश्यू से, आउटबर्स्ट पे एकदम से, शी वोंट बी फेज्ड बाय इट. She'd
Hmm.
think about it, she'd process it quickly, and she'd quickly come up with a solution. And like I
Hmm.
said, कि solution oriented होना जारा की सबसे बड़ी ट्रेट थी जो हमने मेंटेन की है, from the very first point, from where he
Yes.
gets a little upset over a phone call or something, क्योंकि she'd notice it, and then she'd let it go, because she doesn't think it's a big deal, or she doesn't want to think it's a big deal. But that we'll know slowly if it is.
Yeah. And also there's a specific, now that you mention it, there's also a very, very interesting point where he's very upset with her that, you're not giving me time and it's our marriage. And then, she plans this whole date. So this
जी
women putting their fixed hats and then just
जी
trying
जी
to
जी
like just do everything and be, like you said, the savior, the messiah. It's so
जी
brilliant, Mawra, that you have actually thought that much through for your character. You've spoken to somebody who's kind of like a mirror image, if not completely,
जी
of
जी जी
Zara. You've mentioned so many times that you've seen people around you who have gone through
जी
it, and ये छोटी छोटी चीजें सब फेस कर रहे हैं, लेकिन कभी कोई डिनायल में है या क्या.
जी
जब आप किरदार देखती हैं या जब आप कैरेक्टर्स चूज करती हैं, लेट से ये स्क्रिप्ट हो गई या दूसरी कोई स्क्रिप्ट हो गई, आप किस हद तक
जी
इस रिलेटेबिलिटी को एज अ फैक्टर देखती हैं कि मैं एक ऐसी चीज करूं, जैसे नौरोज आपने किया, तो नौरोज एक बड़ी
जी
डिफरेंट सी स्टोरी थी, मतलब
जी
वो हम सब नहीं फेस करते जो नौरोज में उसने फेस किया, राइट? तो आप जब कोई स्क्रिप्ट देखती हैं तो आप रिलेटेबिलिटी को किस हद तक देखती हैं, और फिर जब आप उसको अपने अंदर देखती हैं तो वो किरदार आपके साथ कब तक रहता है? मुझे दोनों सवालों का जवाब दीजिएगा.
अच्छा, पहले तो जब मैं कोई भी स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ती हूँ तो मैं एज अ रीडर पढ़ती हूँ, क्योंकि मैं बहुत किताबें पढ़ती हूँ। और कोई किताब ऐसी होती है जो आप एक दिन में खत्म कर देते हैं, और
हम्म.
कोई किताब ऐसी होती है जो आप कहते हैं अब शुरू कर लिया तो खत्म कर लेते हैं, और कुछ ऐसी भी होती है जो आप कहते हैं शुरू कर भी लिया तो मैं ये खत्म नहीं कर रही, क्योंकि दिस इज टू बोरिंग. So
ठीक
what
है.
I do with scripts is I read them like a reader. I don't
हम्म.
read them like an actor first,
ठीक है.
because I have to find it interesting enough to then indulge in one of the characters of the story. Also,
हम्म.
I do think that story is the most important part, not one character or not one actor, because it's not possible to pull a whole show alone. It's just not
हम्म.
possible. No matter how much your fans tell you, or the people at the production house praise you and tell you that you're bringing in the
You're the
numbers, and
star and you're going to be the
you're this,
center.
yeah. So I realized it early on in my career that it's the story. It's
It's
not
the
you. It's
story.
not, it's not one person. It can't be.
ठीक
It's
है.
a
हाँ.
teamwork.
हाँ.
And तो पहले तो कहानी मैं अप्रूव करती हूँ अपने जहन में कि हाँ ये कहानी मुझे बतानी है या नहीं. Once I know that I want to tell the story, then I start working on the character.
हम्म.
कैरेक्टर में रिलेटेबिलिटी मिल जाए तो नथिंग लाइक इट, क्योंकि आपको बहुत सारी फिर लोग मिल जाते हैं. मैं बहुत ऑब्जर्व करती हूँ अपने इर्द गिर्द लोगों को, हमेशा से करती हूँ. तो मुझे उनमें से कभी मैं ट्रेट्स पिक कर लेती हूँ, या मैं कोई चीज पिक कर लेती हूँ जो मुझे या मुझे उसमें रिलेटेबिलिटी ढूंढने में आसानी हो जाती है कि अच्छा मेरी लाइफ में शायद ये एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, लेकिन मैंने उनकी लाइफ में देखा है, उनकी लाइफ में देखा है. सम ऑफ द, लेट्स से फॉर Zara, I've seen that some women who have been in Zara's place have made it work also,
हम्म.
and some have left their marriages. So ये भी आपको पता चल जाता है कि अच्छा दोनों रास्ते खुले हैं, ऐसा नहीं
हम्म.
है कि कोई एक ही चीज हो सकती है कहानी के साथ. एंड अगर कोई रिलेटेबिलिटी ना मिले, जैसे नौरोज है,
हम्म
तो मैं स्क्रिप्ट को इतनी बार पढ़ती हूँ कि मुझे उसमें इट्स लाइक आई हैव फेथ इन द स्क्रिप्ट। देन
हम्म
मेरा यकीन होता है उस कैरेक्टर में, लाइक आई हैव टू बिलीव व्हाट हु रिश्तीना इज, what she would do, how she would do it. And of course, when I talk about myself, I also mean my director, I also mean my ADs, I also mean my writer, because it's all of us working on it together. It's just that it just so happens that I'm the face of it, so I get to speak about it. लेकिन वो
हम्म
फिर आप रिश्तीना में बिलीव करके you ask, like I go and ask Shazad Bhai questions about Ristina. Then I
हम्म
don't question him about Mawra or what Mawra would do or how should I do it. Because
हम्म
then you have to completely detach from who you are.
हाँ
Especially with Ristina, I had to completely let go of everything and anything that I
yeah,
am.
because she was like a
Completely.
unique piece
जी,
completely
मुझे यकीन नहीं आ रहा था, क्योंकि जब शहजाद भाई ने मुझसे कहा कि मैं रिश्तीना प्ले करूं, तो मैंने उनको बोला है मैं कर ही नहीं सकती, ये बहुत मुश्किल कैरेक्टर है। क्योंकि उसका वो जो एक सीन है ना कि वो छत पे जाती है और दुनिया पहली दफा देखती है, तो मुझे लगा कि मेरी आंखें झूठ ना बोलें, क्योंकि मैंने दुनिया देखी हुई है। तो ये
हम्म
मैं कैसे, और ऐसा कभी कोई कैरेक्टर ही नहीं मैंने किया कि एक
हाँ
लड़की को दुनिया का ही नहीं पता। तो मैंने कहा वो आंखें जो है ना वो कैमरा पढ़ लेता है, और मेरी आंखें ना झूठी लगेंगी और मैंने नहीं करना ये कैरेक्टर। बट फिर ही सेड दैट यू हैव टू समटाइम्स प्रिपेयर फॉर द कैरेक्टर्स एंड समटाइम्स यू हैव टू अनप्रिपेयर।
हम्म
जो आता है ना भूल जाओ। तो मैं
हाँ
इतने दिन तक ये सोचती थी कि इसका क्या मतलब है, एंड देन इवेंचुअली व्हाटएवर हैपेंड इन द माउंटेन्स, आई डोंट इवन नो हुआ कैसे क्या हुआ। बस वो जगह का भी कुछ इफेक्ट था। तो कभी रिलेटेबिलिटी से मदद मिलती है और कभी
हम्म
उस चीज में यकीन रखने से।
so having faith in the character and obviously your team,
जी,
like you said, you have so much faith in
ऑफ कोर्स
Shehzad bhai
डायरेक्टर तो
and
आपके वो होते हैं, दे आर द लीडिंग फोर्स, एंड you have to blindly follow them, you have to have a vibe with them, and you have to blindly follow.
उर्वा और फरहान भी आपकी फैमिली में हैं और
जी,
आप जो है आपका एक ट्रेजेक्ट्री है, उनका भी एक ट्रेजेक्ट्री है। जब वो लोग आप कोई काम करती हैं तो जब उनका कोई फीडबैक आता है या वो आप उनसे कोई लेती हैं मशवरा स्क्रिप्ट देखते हुए दैट आई हैव दिस, आई एम अ बिट कंफ्यूज्ड अबाउट इट, और आर यू यूजुअली श्योर अबाउट व्हाट यू आर डूइंग एंड यू डोंट रियली टेक फीडबैक फ्रॉम द रेस्ट ऑफ द फैमिली? हाउ डज इट वर्क? आर दे एज इन्वॉल्व?
actually it's been 11 years now, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
माशाल्लाह।
शुरू में ऐसे समझ नहीं आती थी, शुरू में क्योंकि यही समझ रही थी कि स्क्रिप्ट को पढ़ के समझ क्या आएगी, ये भी नहीं पता था। तो कुछ पता ही
आप
नहीं
लोग
था
बहुत छोटे
तब।
थे वैसे, यू वर
जी
लाइक
जी।
लिटिल बेबीज व्हेन यू स्टार्टेड।
Yeah, I think I was 19 when I shot my
Wow,
first
my
proper
God.
serial. And we were acting before that as well in theater and in small shows. लेकिन I think I was 19 when I shot my first serial. तो तब कुछ नहीं पता था, तब बस ये पता होता था कि हाँ सेट पे जाना है, बहुत मजा आएगा, एक्टर्स होंगे, कैमरा होगा, लाइंस बोलनी है। इट्स ओनली अलोंग द वे यू लर्न कि स्क्रिप्ट भी कोई चीज होती है, आपके ऊपर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, आपने परफॉर्म करना है, क्योंकि एवरीवनस काउंटिंग ऑन यू। एंड आई थिंक फॉर मी द फर्स्ट रियलाइजेशन ऑफ दैट वाज माय Indian movie,
Hmm.
because that is the first time I realized that it's my responsibility. The film is riding on my shoulders. When they tell these things to me, I was like, "What do you mean it's riding on my shoulders? Why are you saying that to me?" And they were like, "Because it is." So that's when I first realized that I have to work very hard, and लोगों के पैसे लगे हुए हैं और आपने बहुत जिम्मेदारी से काम करना है, मेहनत जितनी आप कर सकते हो। That's when I started befriending my scripts, कि एक
Hmm.
बार नहीं मैं 100 बार पढ़ूंगी, 100 बार पढ़ने से शायद ज्यादा समझ आने लग जाए। और इस तरह फिर मैं that's how I started like वर्किंग ऑन माई स्क्रिप्ट। फिर उसके बाद जब आपको कोई स्क्रिप्ट ऑफर होती है ना, तो एक तो यू हैव अ गट फीलिंग, सो यू
Hmm.
कैन नॉट डिनाई दैट।
Hmm.
एंड आई थिंक दैट इफ आई हैव टू गो एंड आस्क anyone else that whether I should do it or not, that means my gut is saying no.
Ah.
you know Sometimes you go to other people, in the
Hmm.
family or to friends, and you want them to say yes because you
Yeah.
also want to do it but you're not sure.
Hmm.
So अब मैंने तो अपने गट पे रिलाई करना शुरू कर दिया है, क्योंकि मैंने देखा है कि जब when you go wrong, you have to take complete responsibility. You're the one who's asked questions about why you did a certain character the way you did it. So the process has to be your own.
Hmm.
Yes, once the project is on air, the feedback is most welcome. जब
Oh,
उर्वा
so
या
so
फरहान
it's a
भाई मुझे
debrief.
जी जी, when they give me feedback, I get very happy when they watch
Acha.
something I've done. For instance, when they watched my Noroz ka trailer, they just kept looking at me. They were like, this is great. This is really good. I was like, Urva, do you know that this is the first time in 10 years you've told me that this is great? She's
No
like, no,
way.
that's a lie. I was like, no, but the kind of reaction you've given me today, like it was a big reaction. Like I've not had such a reaction from her. But I also feel that the way I felt while performing Nauroz, Rishtina, is something I have also never felt before. I was
Hmm.
completely clueless. Otherwise,
Hmm.
I'm kind of, I know what tricks and traits I'm using for the character.
Hmm. Hmm.
In Nauroz, even I didn't know what trailer's gonna come out. Everyone would ask me about it. I was like, मुझे नहीं पता भाई. आई हैव नो आइडिया क्या होने वाला है. मैंने बस पहाड़ों में जाके सब भूल गई थी. मेरे सर ने बोला था कोई प्रिपरेशन मत करो, बस सेट पे आ जाओ. तो मुझे नहीं पता मैं क्या करके आई हूँ. बस अल्लाह खैर करे. So when everyone gave me that reaction, I got calls from within the industry, which also kind of happened, I think, for the second time in my whole career. So that was also, I felt कि अच्छा जब आप कुछ बहुत आपको भी दिल में कुछ फील होता है अलग सा, तो वो फीलिंग सब तक पहुंचती है.
Hmm. नहीं तो ये जो आप कह रही है ना कि आपने अनलर्न कर दिया था, आपको था कि बस सब कुछ भूल के सेट पे पहुंच जाओ. आई थिंक दैट चाइल्ड लाइक काइंड ऑफ इनोसेंस हेल्प्ड in showing
Yeah.
Rishtina as the girl wonder. She has no idea what's going on in the world, so I think that
जी.
kind of helped. When we talk about Pakistani dramas, we also get a lot of flack from the world. And although I'm a strong believer of the fact that Pakistani dramas are a very big brand, and they are the brand in Pakistan, and we make a lot of good content also. Yes, we make a lot of
जी.
Saaz Bahu wala content also, but we also
हम्म.
make a lot of good content. Now, Jaffa is at a very unique place because it does have those domesticity issues, but then it's also, like you
Right.
said, it's about mental health. It's about the kind of stories we're all going through, and there are such beautiful psychological nuances in the show. And props to the writer and the director, and of course you, the actors. When you are, again, it's about choice. When I'm sure you're given those scripts also, those terrible awful scripts also, which you're like, I'm not even going to touch that one, so I'm
Yeah.
sure you get your share of those. With these new channels coming in with roles like Christina, which we've never seen really
जी.
on television,
जी.
do you feel we are changing? Do you feel we're moving towards a different direction now, or do you feel that no, we're still stuck in the same loop where we were before?
No, we're definitely not stuck. We are trying to produce and create all kinds of stories while keeping that formula alive कि जैसी आपकी audience है वैसी चीज बनाओ. We're also trying to make what we don't know if the audience will receive well, and we're trying to push the boundary a little. But I would say that in the last 11 years, what I have seen is a very slow
Hmm.
journey of moving the boundaries.
Yeah.
We're not very aggressive with it. Everyone's not collectively fighting for it. There are few people who are doing it, and I feel like even those people have to keep that responsibility in mind कि उनके ही चैनल पे कुछ चीजें सिर्फ कमर्शियली वायबल होने की वजह से भी बनाई जाए, क्योंकि चैनल्स चलेंगे तो ये जो एक अलग तरह की आर्ट या अलग तरह की कहानी है वो आप बता पाओगे ना.
बिल्कुल.
So I feel like it's right now it's a mix of both, but definitely the special scripts are much lesser.
Hmm.
I think the first time I felt that the script that I've received is extremely special was Sammi.
Hmm.
And
Yes,
I
I
knew,
remember
and
Samimi.
that year I think I had turned down 4 or 5 scripts before I started Sammi. And one of the scripts I even signed it. And 3 days before the shooting, I called Momina and I said, I can't do it. And she
Hmm.
said, Mawra, you signed it. I said, please don't make me do it. And she said, अच्छा ठीक है. मैंने कहा मैं रेडी नहीं हूँ और मुझे ये स्क्रिप्ट अच्छी नहीं लग रही, मैं क्या जस्टिस करूंगी. तो वो सबको उस वक्त ये भी लग रहा था कि ओ she's come back from her movie, so now she's finding content in script. But it's true, you have an experience and you grow with it. And no
Hmm.
matter what you do, you can't just act like you haven't grown and you don't understand. Once you can't unknow it.
Hmm.
तो सम्मी मुझे जब मैंने पढ़ा वो उन 5 से इतना अलग था
Hmm.
कि मैंने कहा हाँ यही तो मैं मांग रही थी, यही तो मैं
Hmm.
करना चाहती हूँ.
Ah.
So I feel like Sami also, received that kind of response and
Yes.
love, and people still,
Yes.
praise it.
Yes.
लेकिन फिर बार बार आपको इस प्रोसेस से गुजरना पड़ता है. बार बार you're torn between whether you should do something commercial or you should go with your gut. So now at least I think since Sabat, I think I decided to go with my gut.
Hmm.
Because the thing with choosing a script that you're not too sure about is that you're not fully there. You're not
Hmm.
fully into it. And I feel like so much money invested and so much faith put in you by the audience and by the makers. And if you're not fully there, what's the point?
Hmm.
What's really the point? You could, अगर आपके नसीब का रिस्क है, you will make all of that money. और अगर आपके नसीब की शोहरत है, तो you will get that शोहरत from a project that you truly believe in. But to try to do a formula project is something I don't think I can
आउट
do
ऑफ
anymore.
डेस्परेशन के यार बस मैं कर ही
हाँ,
लेती हूँ.
I can't, because if
Hmm.
I'll go on a set like that, I will not be honest to the set. Maybe
Hmm.
I'll like a commercial script, and
Hmm.
maybe I'll feel, इसमें I will be there. So
Hmm.
it's really about what I feel when I read a story. जरूरी नहीं है कि project में कोई message हो. जो
Hmm.
लोगों को by the way कुछ project से लगने लग गया है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है. I just
लेकिन वो
want
तो
to
हमारे हर
be
ड्रामे में ही
fully
होता है
there.
ना, हमारे हर ड्रामे में मैसेज
Exactly.
तो होता ही है कुछ ना कुछ.
एग्जैक्टली, और पता नहीं
हाँ.
होता कि वो कैसे होगा, ज्यादा इन द
Hmm.
फेस होगा या सॉफ्टली
हाँ.
डला होगा. क्योंकि
हाँ.
एज द स्टोरी गोज एंड एज यू स्टार्ट परफॉर्मिंग एंड शूटिंग, इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम व्हाट यू रीड ऑन पेपर. वो
Hmm.
डायरेक्टर पे भी डिपेंड करता है, एक्टर्स पे भी डिपेंड करता है कि उस चीज बन के कैसी लगेगी. तो ऑनेस्टली नोबडी नोज व्हाट दे आर मेकिंग. एवरीवनस ट्राइंग. असल में एवरीवनस ट्राइंग देयर बेस्ट, उसमें कोई शक नहीं है कि वी आर ऑल वर्किंग वेरी हार्ड एंड वी
Hmm.
आर ऑल ट्राइंग टू डू आवर बेस्ट. बट पता किसी को नहीं है, क्योंकि
Hmm.
अगर पता हो तो सब वही एक ही फॉर्मूला यूज करके बार बार बनाए. बट ऐसा
हाँ.
नहीं होता. अ हिट डायरेक्टर गिव्स अ फ्लॉप, अ हिट एक्टर गिव्स अ फ्लॉप, अ फ्लॉप एक्टर गिव्स अ हिट. दैट्स
Hmm.
बिकॉज वी डोंट नो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग. क्योंकि क्रिएटिव काम है, वो जुड़ता है तो पता चलता है क्या बना है. वो
हाँ.
उसके पहले किसी को भी नहीं पता होता. समटाइम्स यू फील लाइक यू डूइंग दिस मेगा project, signature project, and it doesn't work. And
Hmm.
sometimes you're doing something channel's not even bothered about, and it's a big hit. So
Hmm.
it happens to all of us. So
अच्छा,
I feel like
पेंडेमिक.
we,
जी जी.
जी जी,
नहीं नहीं, कहिए कहिए.
मैं वही कह रही थी कि आई फील लाइक वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स टेलिंग good stories. We've always had brilliant stories in Pakistan and in Pakistan TV especially. लेकिन वही बात है कि पता नहीं होता which one will work. और कभी कभी कोई ऐसी सी स्टोरी वर्क कर जाती है तो सब कहते हैं, यार देखो ये पाकिस्तान टीवी वाले क्या बना रहे हैं. बट कभी कभी बहुत अच्छी कहानियां वर्क करती है तो बोलते हैं, यार
हाँ,
ये लोग अच्छे ड्रामा बनाते
अच्छे
हैं.
ड्रामे बनाते हैं. नहीं, मैं ये पूछ रही थी कि जब पेंडेमिक में एक हमारा बीच में लल ये भी आ गया था, फिल्मों के साथ भी ये हो गया था, एक तरह की
जी.
फिल्में चल रही थी और सब लोग उसी रेस में लगे हुए थे कि यार ऐसी फिल्में बना लो, ऐसी फिल्म बना लो, सारे वही
हम्म.
ट्राई कर रहे थे. लेकिन फिर बीच में सारे पेंडेमिक हो गया, चीजें इधर उधर हो गई.
जी.
आपका क्या इस वक्त, व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन what kind of scripts you'd like to see for cinema, and what is your take on what's happening with cinema right now? Obviously there are announcements in the horizon that अच्छा वो ये
जी.
बनाएगा,
जी.
इसने ये बनानी है, ये इसमें स्टार करेगा. लेकिन अभी कोई आज सच कोई मेजर वो मोमेंट जो था, जो 2019-18 वगैरह में था, कि धड़ाधड़ मजे
हम्म.
मजे की फिल्में आ रही हैं, नंबर्स भी
जी.
आ रहे हैं, बॉक्स ऑफिस भी अच्छा चल रहा है, वो हालात तो नहीं है इस वक्त. तो
जी.
now that you look at what cinema is right now, what's your take on it? What is the kind of script you're looking for if you want to do a return to the cinema? Are you more in the indie phase, or would you like something, that's a blockbuster, that's a sure hit? What's going on in your head about movies right now?
Honestly, I'm not in any phase at all. I just
Mm-hmm.
feel that I'm in that I just want a good script, whether
Hmm.
it's for TV or film or OTT. Even an episode is too long in within 40 minutes if it's
Yes.
not nicely written. So imagine the risks with movies. It's a two
Hmm.
hour, 2.5 hours long thing. And when you read it, you kind of know that it's not going to work.
Hmm.
And some of the movies, like you read a script and then you also find out later कि अच्छा वो movie बनी ही नहीं.
हाँ.
क्योंकि जो आपको नहीं उसमें पोटेंशियल दिखा वो फिर प्रोड्यूसर्स को भी नहीं दिखा बाद में. तो मुझे बस ये लगता है कि ऑब्वियसली आई एम नॉट सम नो इट ऑल. मुझे खुद नहीं कभी कभी समझ आती कि व्हाट्स द नेक्स्ट थिंग आई वांट टू डू. बट आई एम लिटरली जस्ट ट्रस्टिंग माय गट. आई एम जस्ट
Hmm.
ट्रस्टिंग माय गट. मुझे अगर कोई चीज पढ़ने में ये भी लगता है कि लाइक एज अ पैकेज इट लुक्स ग्रेट कि हाँ डायरेक्टर ये है, साथ एक्टर ये है, उफ यार ये छोड़ूं कैसे. बट अगर
Hmm.
गट में नहीं फील हो रहा होता ना
हाँ.
कि छोड़ दो बस, ये फील हो रहा होता है, फिर मैं नहीं सोचती कि हाँ. और बाद में कभी प्रोजेक्ट चल भी जाता है और कभी कभी फेल भी हो जाता है. तो अब जब जो चल जाता है आप कहते हो यार मैंने प्रोजेक्ट जाने दिया. और जब नहीं चलता तो आप कहते हो देखा, माय गट टोल्ड मी.
हाँ,
सो
हाइंडसाइट इज
इट्स
ट्वेंटी
रियली,
ट्वेंटी हाइंडसाइट तो
या
परफेक्ट होती है ना.
या
हाँ.
और क्योंकि क्रिएटिव प्रोसेस है ना, एक्चुअली मुझे the more I am working, the more I'm realizing that I don't know a lot of things. I don't know enough.
Hmm.
Even on a set, I'm sometimes clueless. I go to my directors crying कि मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रही. आज मैं जब शूटिंग पे गई और डांस मैंने कहा ये सीन है ऐसे मैंने कहा मुझे लग रहा है मुझे गिलगित जाके सारी एक्टिंग भूल गई, एक सेकंड फिर से बताएं. So it's a creative process. Sometimes you feel clueless. Sometimes you feel like, oh, I'm ready for this emotion. Oh, this scene, I'm going to nail this scene today.
Hmm.
But it's each day as it comes.
As it comes. But it's so interesting that you mentioned that you're trusting your gut more and more, and but
जी
it doesn't matter the medium. Tell me if that thing has evolved as you have spent more years in the industry. Like you started the industry when you were very young. You're still young.
जी
You started young, but you've spent 11 years, but you're still a very young
जी
person. And that's why I think you probably relate to these issues that we see in Jaffa also. It's a generational thing also. The kind of things that women in our ages or your ages, you're much younger than I am, you feel, and women even younger than you would feel.
जी.
वो ऑडियंस जिनको हम कह रहे हैं ना, जिनके लिए ड्रामे बन भी रहे थे, वो शायद रिलेट भी नहीं करें, लेकिन द फैक्ट दैट जफा इज स्ट्राइकिंग अ कॉर्ड एंड इट स्ट्रक अ कॉर्ड विद यू, हाउ वुड यू से कि यार अच्छा, मैं 11 साल पहले शायद मैं जफा के अंदर ये चीजें ना देख पाती, लेकिन आज मुझे दिख रही हैं, या शायद 5 साल में भी मेरी ये जो गट फीलिंग है ये थोड़ी और पक्की हो जाएगी और मुझे समझ आ जाएगी. आप इसको कैसे देखते हो, इस जर्नी को अपने, और क्या अब आपके लिए ये डिसीजंस लेना बेहतर है, आसान है? आई वुड से लाइक नॉट बेहतर है, बट क्या आसान है आपके लिए अब कि नहीं यार ये नहीं ठुक रहा, ये दिल को नहीं ठुक रहा, मैं नहीं कर सकती? हैज इट गॉटन बेटर विद टाइम?
आई थिंक कि वक्त के साथ साथ डिसीजन लेना मुश्किल होता जा रहा है क्योंकि
अच्छा.
ignorance is a bliss. When you know nothing, you think you know everything. you know, when you're a kid, I used to be a very, very overexcited, hyper child on each set, and all they would talk about is ये जो है पूरा दिन तस्वीरें भी ले लेती है, इसको फटाफट लाइनें भी याद हो जाती हैं, ये अपना इंस्टाग्राम भी पता नहीं किस टाइम निकाल लेती है, सब कर लेती है. अब लेकिन विद टाइम मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि मेरी पूरी एनर्जी शुड बी फोकस्ड ऑन द क्राफ्ट दैट आई एम हियर फॉर. ओ इट्स अ बिग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. ओ आई हैव टू प्रिपेयर. आई फील लाइक ओवर द इयर्स आई स्टार्टेड प्रिपेयरिंग मोर एंड मोर. आई एम मोर
हम्म.
नर्वस नाउ. आई वाज नेवर नर्वस व्हेन आई वाज यंगर. आई वाज लाइक
अच्छा.
क्या है, क्या
अच्छा.
मजाक है ये तो. लाइनें ही तो याद करनी है. मैं तो, आप लोगों को नहीं पता, मैं तो रट्टू तोता हूँ. मुझे तो ऐसे लाइनें, लिटरली आई थॉट लाइनें याद करना इज माय जॉब. So now sometimes I'm amazed by how people have received me so well. And people used to say, हाँ ये रोती बहुत अच्छा है, ये हमें रुला देती है. मैं सोचती थी, really? Because I was not into it. And I used to really enjoy my time on set. रोते रोते हंसना शुरू कर देती थी. हंसते हंसते कुछ, किसी भूख लग रही है रोना शुरू कर दो. बिल्कुल like not a very serious approach towards your job. But I think boy, a couple of years into it, I realized my responsibility. And from there on, it's only gotten harder each year, which is why I'm not able to do too many projects.
डू
पहले ही
एनीथिंग,
होता था.
लाइक कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता,
हाँ, पहले ही
सोच के
होता
करना
था,
है.
डेट्स है. हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल, स्क्रिप्ट डन. मतलब पूछने की जहमत ही नहीं करते थे कि स्क्रिप्ट क्या है, राइटर कौन है, डायरेक्टर कौन है. बस ओ डेट्स डेट्स ही तो प्रॉब्लम है, और तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. But I think with time you realize your firstly your responsibility and then secondly your capacity. So for instance, मुझे बहुत अफसोस होता अगर मैं अपनी कैपेसिटी को जज करने की बेसिस पर रिश्तीना जैसा कैरेक्टर छोड़ देती. बट
बिल्कुल.
क्योंकि आई हैड वर्कड विद शहजाद भाई ऑन सबात एंड ही सेड दैट आई नो यू कैन डू इट. ही सेड आई डोंट केयर व्हाट यू थिंक, आई नो यू कैन डू इट, सो यू
वाह.
जस्ट कम ऑन सेट, यू डोंट हैव टू डू एनीथिंग.
हम्म.
तो वो उनका मेरे अंदर जो फेथ था उसकी वजह से आई कुड पुल ऑफ रिश्तीना. बट मे बी आई हैव मिस्ड आउट ऑन अपॉर्चुनिटीज वेयर आई गॉट टू startled by the opportunity कि नहीं 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 ये मैं नहीं कर सकती. लेकिन आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट एवरी टाइम आई एम टेकिंग अ डिसीजन. आई ट्राई टू टेक अ सिंसियर वन.
हम्म.
And when I'm on set, I can totally claim that I'm the most hardworking person on my set. Like I know there could be better actors and there could be other hardworking people too. But hard work is one thing I can compete in because I really, really put my everything into, my whole life is about that project that I'm doing. I
हम्म.
don't pick another project, even if I have a month or two in between. I try not to, think too much about other things when I'm thinking about my script. I'm always reading and rereading my script. कभी खुला पड़ा होता है, मेरे दोस्त आते बोलते हैं जफा तो तुम 4 महीने से शूट कर रही हो, अब क्या पढ़ रही हो. मैंने कहा यार पढ़ना पड़ता है रोज, क्या हो गया है ऐसे थोड़ी. So I'm also that nervous student now a lot more than before, I tried to prepare and prepare and prepare. Even when I went for Let's Try Mohabbat, I was preparing to no end. I was like,
Hmm.
I don't know how I'm going to do this. And
Hmm.
everybody around me was like, why? Why are
Hmm.
you nervous? I was like,
Hmm.
I'm just becoming this person, as you know.
Hmm. Hmm.
With time, I'm just becoming this person who wants to really, really be honest and sincere to the job, and just pick something that I truly, truly believe in, and not because of any other reason.
Hmm.
So yeah, it's
And,
gotten harder with time.
and you've gotten more and more invested as time has grown.
Ji,
Just wrapping
ji,
up, when you look at your choices now, and you keep talking about responsibility, that I have this responsibility, and I've noticed this in your career, that you're very, very conscious of the kind of women that you are playing. They are women who are morally upright. They are women who, in the best way, we relate, in the sense that their emotional struggles are our struggles, and we see them go through a path which most women will understand, right?
ji,
Is that something also which is very conscious? Women, when you play women, and the kind of sometimes women we see on the screen, which are probably not the best role models for women in today's world, is that also why it's gotten much harder to choose a role, to stay with the role, and to prepare, and then to deliver that kind of a character, a female character on a mainstream platform like Pakistan television, which is going all over the world representing us.
ji. Somewhere around in 2017, 2018, around the Sami Angan days, the kind of public interactions that we went for to promote the projects, and I was also promoting JPNA2 at the time. I met really, really young girls who would
Hmm.
tell me that we look up to you. And it
Mashallah.
shook me.
Hmm.
I wasn't ready for that kind of responsibility. I was actually just going around minding my own business,
And you were a young girl
trying to do some
yourself,
good.
you're
Yes,
a
I,
young
I,
girl
I
having
must have
fun.
been, yeah, I must have been, I don't know, 25 at the time, 26 at
Yeah.
the time. And, it kind of it kind of hit me that, oh, it's not just a responsibility of the producer's money, but it's also who I am on, say, social media or in my characters. Um, and of course, that then started to, once you realize it, then you, of course, can't ignore it. And then I realized it more and more over the years. And I try now. I try to be responsible on social media. I try to be responsible in my interviews with my projects. But while I say that, I don't mean that I won't play a dark character. I won't play a negative character.
Hmm.
The character has to be justified. The writing has to justify why a character is negative or dark or and I want to do. I've been telling my producers that please, no, don't give me this good girl. Give me something dark. Give me something negative. But when they give me the negative character, when they tell me, okay, this one's available or this is what we are doing next, it doesn't make sense why I'm going after my sister's husband or why I'm going after my friend's, or, husband or
God,
father. And
yeah.
you're like, no, this is not the negative character I'm
This is not what
asking
I meant.
for. Yeah, and
Yeah.
then they're like, "Dekha, dekha, हमें पता था तुम नहीं करोगी," and here you
Ah.
go. But I've been telling anybody and everybody who's offering me work, I'm telling them कि मुझे कुछ different करना है. I also feel that I'm a lot more ready now for the filmy kind of work. When I did
Hmm.
my first movie, I was very clueless when they said, "Oh, ये तुमने beat पे बोलना है," and I was like, what? What do you
Hmm.
mean? I was absolutely clueless, and they were like, "We'll give you a beat. You shoot this on beat." And I was like, "क्या मतलब? कि turn करना है तो ये high speed shot है जी क्या मतलब?" Like कुछ नहीं पता था ना. और सब कुछ you're learning on the job, and I am very grateful for my job. I think I've learned everything that the audience watches. I've learned it on the job. My directors have taught me. My producers have taught me. The co-actors that I've learned from. But today, I do feel that given that the story kind of resonates with me, I am readier than ever.
Hmm.
I do feel that kind of confidence after, especially after Nauroz.
Hmm.
Because what Nauroz did to me was it kind of shred me off of my vanity. And then I was able to think more freely and more
Hmm.
openly.
Hmm.
Um, और मुझे लगा कि नौरोज के बाद थैंक गॉड आई वेंट इनटू नीम क्योंकि मैं शायद घर बैठ जाती कि हाँ नो मोर वैनिटी नो आई वांट द सिंपलर लाइफ मड और माउंटेन्स में रहना है मुझे बट शहजाद भाई शुक्र है मुझे 15 दिन में ही नीम पे ले गए एंड आई रियलाइज्ड हाउ मच आई लव डूइंग व्हाट आई डू
Hmm.
and how much I love being an actor. तो मुझे अब लगता है कि after these, after 10 years or 11 years, I feel readier than ever. I
Hmm.
feel like I really realize my responsibility more than ever.
Hmm.
I'm really, really sincere to my work more than ever. And I have the capacity to work very, very hard. I can go hours. I don't care. I just want to deliver. And that is literally my only focus when I'm shooting.
Hmm.
So I feel like now if somebody would tell me, this much money is riding on you, I'd be like, don't worry about it. I've got you.
Hmm. Hmm.
Now I have that confidence in me that, I'm ready. And if
Hmm.
I read a script where I feel nahi, मैं इससे justice नहीं कर पाऊंगी, so I also think now I'm honest. I'm
Hmm.
not greedy for work.
Hmm.
I'm not
Hmm.
greedy for, oh नहीं अगर मैंने सच बोल दिया तो ये project चला ना जाए. Like I took that risk with Nowruz.
Hmm.
And I do believe कि जो चीज आपके नसीब की है वो फिर आप कितना भी मना कर लो. Sabat I turned down thrice because of dates, but it
Hmm.
just so happened it kept getting delayed and it happened for me. So I
Hmm.
think all of these experiences have taught me कि जो आपके नसीब का है वो आपके पास आ जाना है. So
Hmm.
now I'm more honest, more sincere with whatever feedback I give to somebody who offers me a script. So I think that I do get stressed and I do get sometimes clueless कि मैंने next करना क्या है. But I think once I'm reading a story, it's like the story tells me what I
Hmm.
need to do, who I
Hmm.
need to be.
हम्म। और अब जब आप आगे के प्रोजेक्ट्स लिख रही देख रही हैं कि क्या लिखा जा रहा है, क्या बनाया जा रहा है, आपके पास कुछ जो ऐसा पाइपलाइन में है दैट यू रियली एक्साइटेड अबाउट, दैट आई नो यू वोंट बी एबल टू टेल अस व्हाटएवर यू आर डूइंग if you're still if the project is still under wraps, but are you excited about what's there in the future and what you want to share with everyone? I know you want to do a dark role, but जब तक वो
जी, I do.
हस्बैंड स्टीलर के अलावा कोई रोल जब तक नहीं आता तब तो आप नहीं करेंगी, लेकिन कुछ है
तब तक
ऐसा
यही करना पड़ेगा.
जब तक कुछ ऐसा है जिसके लिए आप एक्साइटेड हैं?
Um, there are a few things that I'm excited about, but आजकल ये बहुत ज्यादा हो गया है कि थोड़ी सी चीज लिखी जाती है और वो आपको ऑफर हो जाती है. तो
हम्म।
आपको वेट करना पड़ता है कि कुछ लोग वेट करते हैं, कुछ नहीं करते, और बड़े प्रोड्यूसर्स मुझसे शिकायत भी करते हैं कि बाकी तो नहीं, हमें कुछ फ्ला फ्ला तो हमें कुछ नहीं कहता. तो
हम्म।
मैं उनको कहती हूँ, भाई मैं बहुत नर्वस हो जाती हूँ, मुझे जानना है मेरा एंड क्या है, मुझे जानना है
हाँ।
कहानी कहाँ जा रही है. क्योंकि
अच्छा,
जब नहीं पता होता तो ऑडियंस भी आपको क्वेश्चन करती है कि
क्या
ये क्या
आपने क्यों नहीं
कहानी
किया,
आपने नहीं
हाँ ये
बताई,
ऐसे कैसे
क्यों नहीं
कर
किया
लिया?
आपने.
हम्म।
और कभी कभी आप भी खुद को क्वेश्चन करते हो, और ये ऐसा नहीं कि गलतियां मुझसे अभी नहीं होती, अभी भी होती हैं. हो सकता
हम्म।
है अभी रिसेंट भी किसी प्रोजेक्ट में हुई हो और मैं बता ना रही हूँ आपको. लेकिन what I'm trying to do is I read the script पूरा wholeheartedly, and then even at the risk of losing the project, if I feel that the project needs a few tweaks here and there, I go ahead and tell them. So
हम्म।
sometimes they change the project, sometimes they change the actor. So that's going pretty well for me. Um, so yeah, I am actually I'm really excited for something that I may be doing in September. It's not locked yet, but inshallah, I'm hoping that it'll turn out as well as I'm thinking.
Inshallah,
Inshallah.
our prayers are with you. Do you have anything to say to people who are loving you in Jaffa and your fans and people who have always followed your career? I'm one of them. I've always followed your career very
Thank you.
closely. And is there anything you would like to say to everyone who's very interested in what's about to happen to Dr. Zara and who's definitely, obviously, rooting for her also?
I just want to say that I'm extremely grateful to be in this position,
Hmm.
and I enjoy doing what I do. I love the fact that you guys are loving Jaffa because हम audience के लिए ही चीजें बना रहे होते हैं, and it kind of hits the right chord with the audience. It's like the happiest day of your life. Week after week you're thinking it will go well with them. और जब वो बार बार over and over चीज सही साबित होती है तो आपको भी आपका कॉन्फिडेंस रिकिंडल हो जाता है, आपका वो फेथ रिकिंडल हो जाता है कि अच्छा मुझे पता है मैं क्या कर रही हूँ.
Hmm.
But I just also want to tell them that whenever I make a mistake, you must know I'm clueless. And everyone else is too. So this is a creative medium. It can
It's a
go here
disclaimer.
or
It's a
there.
Mawra Hocane
Yeah,
disclaimer. Please know this.
absolutely. I think it should be the creative industry's disclaimer because literally nobody knows what's going on. We are all here just sincerely trying to make sense.
That's true.
Of कोर्स सबको अपना काम आता है और सब सोचते हैं एक आपका एक्सपीरियंस है आपके प्रोफेशन में, लेकिन असल में ऑन द डे, ऑन द स्पॉट, everyone's just trying to do their best. And
Yeah.
I see some seniors do it and I'm like अच्छा चलो फिर खैर है, अगर मुझे भी नहीं समझ आती कभी कभी तो कोई बड़ों को नहीं समझ आ रही तो खैर है, कोई बात नहीं. And
हाँ
sometimes the directors, they hit the right chord with the audience, and sometimes the same excellent director can't.
can't,
So
yeah, it
that kind of,
happens.
yeah, and that's a testament कि किसी को नहीं पता कुछ भी कि क्या हो रहा है, तो आप प्रेशर ना ले ज्यादा कि मुझे क्यों नहीं पता. लेकिन I just want to thank my audience. They've really been with me through thick and thin, through my personality changing from 19 to now, and I've literally grown up with my audience, and I absolutely love them when they bring something old to my attention, when they bring something to my Twitter timeline or Instagram, and I just really enjoy the love. And I hope that as long as I am in this position, I can do just some good work and enjoy myself, get
Of
nervous
course.
before every shoot, and still
And then
go with
also
it,
have fun, and
inshallah.
also have
Yeah,
retain a little bit of that
absolutely.
fun loving Mawra there.
Yes,
Yes,
absolutely, absolutely.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. Thank you so much, Mawra. आपके वक्त का thank you. I know you're very busy. You've just come from a shoot also. So thank you so much once again. Guys, please continue watching Jafaa because I think Jafaa has such strong messages without being strong messages, without, slapping us into our faces with the messages. And
अल्लाह करे आगे भी ऐसा ही रहे.
ऐसे ही लग
अभी
रहा है, उसकी टोन
प्रोजेक्ट
तो नहीं
बीच के
लग
हैं.
रही है ऐसी, हाँ, कि वो
बस
मतलब बड़े
अल्लाह
बड़े
खैर करे
माशरे
इंशाल्लाह.
को लेक्चर जो मिलने शुरू हो जाते हैं हमारे यहाँ. तो बहुत शुक्रिया मावरा आपके वक्त का. एंड गाइस, डू
You're
डू
most
डू
welcome.
डू वॉच जफा, डू चेक आउट जफा. इट इज डेफिनेटली, आई think, one of the best shows of the season. So check out Jaffa and check out all the other
Thank
projects
you.
that we'll be seeing Mawra in. And if you haven't caught Noroz, by the way, you must watch Neem, must watch Noroz. And for throwback guys, जो अभी नए नए हमारे पाकिस्तानी ड्रामे के फोल्ड में आए, सम्मी जरूर देखिए, बहुत अच्छा ड्रामा है. और बड़े बड़े उसमें, मतलब वो मैसेजेस वाला ड्रामा है, लेकिन एक एक बड़ा वन फॉर द एजेस है. तो हमारा बहुत शुक्रिया वंस अगेन
Thank
गाइस.
you. Thank you so much. I really enjoyed the interview.
थैंक यू सो मच मावरा, आपके वक्त का. थैंक यू गाइस फॉर वॉचिंग. अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा. खुदा हाफिज. Don't miss an update. Hit the bell icon and click on subscribe.